Hello friends, hope all you are fine and doing well. Welcome to our channel UG Moltech. In today's video, we are going to see how to use the pattern feature command in Unigraphics and X. Okay, we will see all the layouts in pattern feature, all the important one we will see, and the spacing we will see one by one. Count and pitch, count and span, pitch and span we will see all the. So friends, those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe so you never miss an industrial insight, tips and tutorials. So friend, let's start our today's video how to use the pattern feature in NX. So I'm clicking the pattern feature icon. You can see the pattern feature icon came. So first it is asking for selecting the feature. I am selecting this hole. I want 4 holes in this corner, okay, for the insulation sheet. So I am clicking this linear one. Okay, now I am going to select the direction. It is XC, okay, and YC I want. The second one, if you want to use the second one, you can click this one, otherwise you can skip it. Okay, but I want it to be also used. I want to, so I want it to be 210. I am giving the pitch, and here I am giving the pitch to 40. Okay, we have selected, not selected the YC. Okay, now you can see this direction as well is this direction. Okay, now I am going to see the preview. It is taking some time. So friend, you can see 4 holes are being created. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, just I'm going to undo it. You can see 4 holes. You can either give here dimension or you can drag here also. Whatever your requirement, according to it, it will be selected. Okay, see I have dragged from here. You can see these 4 holes. Now I am going to apply this one. Okay, you can see 4 holes are being created. Okay, using one tool. So I am going to make it more easier. So I am going to create a sketch. Selecting OK. Now I am going to create a block. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to finish it. Now I am going to protrude it. Okay. Now I am going to create one hole. I want to create hole here. Close it. Okay. It is M12 hole. Okay. So I created a block and a feature. Okay. Now we can understand more easily. So I am selecting the feature. Okay, again we are, it is X direction. Okay, direction already. I want number of count to be 6. Okay, and the pitch will be 25. Pitch means from here to here how much. Okay, direction already selected, and I am going to say this 6 and this is 25. Now I am going to preview it. It is taking little time to create. There are so many 6 holes. Okay, now you can see a pattern has been created. I'm going to undo it. Okay, and now I'm going to increase the pitch. See, now up to 52 I have done. This pitch I also want to increase. You can drag it. I'm going to apply it. Okay, now the pitch distance is 40 mm, and the number of count is, means number of hole will be 6. You can see a pattern is been created. Okay, a pattern feature is been created. So I am going to cancel it and undo so that we can see the next one. Okay, now I am going to again select the pattern feature in NX. Okay, now we are going to see count and span. Okay, here also I select count and span. The direction is already selected. So now I am going to select the feature. Okay, now you can see a pattern of hole are being created. It is 6. What is span distance? This, it is the from total from here to here how much distance, and automatically it will create the pitch. Okay, now I'm going to show you the preview. It is taking little time. You can see a pattern are being created. Okay, so I'm going to undo it. And the third method will be pitch and span. Okay, and here I also pitch and span. You have to give the pitch only 20 and the span distance. Here I also give 20. Okay, I'll show you the preview. You can see the number of holes are being more. Okay, because we have selected the pitch and span, it is automatically creating the number of hole accordingly. It is taking little bit time because it is creating many number of holes. You can see. So friend, I think you have cleared about pitch and span. I am going to undo it. Okay, now I am going to cancel it. Okay, now we are going to see the another one of pattern feature tool. That will be, we will now going to see circular one. Okay, for circular one. Okay, so I can use this one. Okay, so I'm going to click the feature. It is asking for a feature. Now it is asking for a vector. What will be the vector? It will be ZC. You can see the direction is ZC. Okay, so I clicked ZC. It will be how many? 2. I want only 3 because I have to screw 3. The angle will be 360 full divided by 3. Okay, either you can do this type or you can put 120 degree. Okay, now we have to select the reference point. Reference point will be this one, this center one. Okay, 360 divided by 3. I'm going to show you the preview. See, 3 holes are being created with an angle of 120 degree. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now I am going to apply. You can see 3 holes are being created. And another one I want to show you, cancel it. I am going to cancel it. Okay, this one I also, it will easy to understand. Now I'm going to click the pattern feature and you can see now I'm going to click the feature to be patterned ZC. Okay, now it will be XC minus XC. It will be minus XC and the reference point will be this one. Okay, now I'm going to show you. See, 3 holes are being created. Now if you want more holes, like 6 holes, just give 360 divided by 6. Okay, now just apply. You can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes are being created at a 60 degree angle. Okay, now I'm going to undo it so that we can see the another one. So I'm going to click the pattern feature tool. In this one we are going to see count and span. Okay, so I'm selecting the feature XC already. Reference point will be about this center and count and span. Okay, number of count is this one, so I kept it 8 and angle I give 270. Okay, now you see holes are being created at the angle of 270 only. Okay, not 360. 8 holes are being created. Suppose you want more, you can have 10 holes to 70 degree. Okay, you can see 10 holes are being created. I'm going to undo it. If you want 360, 10, okay, 12, I'm going to apply it. Now you can see 12 holes are being created. What is span? Span is the total distance of this one. Then last one will be pitch and span. Okay, I going to first I have to undo this one so that we can select this one. So I'm going to select the feature and now I'm going to pitch and span. Distance I have already, reference I am taking. Okay, now it is asking for an angle. How much angle? I want it to be 45 degree. Total span will be 360 degree. Okay, now I'm going to apply it. you can see the number of holes are being created at a pitch of 45 and 360-degree angle. Okay, so you have cleared about the pattern feature in the circular layout. Okay friends, so friend, I am going to undo it so that we can do the next one. Never next one, we are going for this one only. With that, we are going to select the pattern feature command in NX toolbar, and in this one we will now look at the polygon. Okay, pattern feature. In this pattern feature we are going to select this one. The vector direction will be our ZC. The reference point, I am taking this reference point only, the center one. Okay, number of sides I am going to 5, and this one span is 360-degree. Now you see the preview. Okay, it is taking little bit time. It is showing an error because a hole is been just done outside. Okay, but you can see it is creating polygon with 4 holes each. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is the polygon one. I am going to undo it. Okay, so I am going to increase the count size like 12. Span will be 180 only. Okay, see, 10 holes are being created. 12 holes are being created at a 180-degree only this side it came, not this side. Okay, I hope you have cleared this one, the polygon layout in the pattern feature toolbar. Okay, so friend, all this about our pattern feature command. There is a lot more content coming up on your way. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment. We will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.